It happened in 1836 in Maryland. He was walking around the city in his new black suit when people mistook him for someone else.
Mistook him for whom?
Ephraim Curie Avery. He was a priest who had been accused of murder. Although he had been acquitted, people still considered him suspicious.
Oh, I see. So what happened next?
People surrounded Barnum thinking he was Avery and chased him to beat him up. He barely managed to escape with his life.
But how did that turn out to be an advantage?
That's the interesting part. His boss, Turner, told him, "No worries. This is actually good for us." Any kind of publicity is good publicity. Even infamy is a kind of fame, in a way.
Really? That's what he said?
Yes, that's right. And the surprising thing is, after this incident, the crowds at their circus shows actually increased. Maybe people started coming just to see this infamous Barnum.
So that was the moment. This is where Barnum learned his lesson. Whether the attention is good or bad, what matters is that there is attention. The real thing is to stay in the public eye.
Exactly. If people are talking about you, even if it's negative, at least you're on the scene. It's better than being forgotten.
And he really made use of that lesson. His antics are legendary.
Yeah, for example, once he had a completely ordinary homeless man sit outside his museum doing something really strange.
What was he doing?
He would just sit by the roadside, stacking bricks, then picking them up, then stacking them again. That's all he did, all day long.
Really? Why? I mean, people must have stopped to watch, right?
Exactly. People would stop in amazement, wondering what was going on. Crowds would gather, and out of curiosity about what spectacle might be inside, they'd end up buying a ticket to the museum.
Amazing. What a clever way he found to get free attention. He really understood people's psychology, curiosity.
Yes, humans are driven by curiosity. Even the most unusual or meaningless act can make them stop in their tracks.
And Barnum made full use of that.
And then there was that story about Joyce Heth, a very old, blind, almost paralyzed African-American woman.
Yeah, what was her story?
Barnum presented her, claiming that she was George Washington's